The president of the United Democratic Party UDP, Metbah Lyngdoh, who had spoken to media persons on the 18th of April 2023 on the expectations and confidence of the party with regards to its Meghalaya Legislative Assembly candidate from Sohiong, Synshar Lyngdoh, said that the mandate of the people in the upcoming election has shifted from sympathy to gratitude to the contributions of former MLA of the constituency, late HDR Lyngdoh, while he was their representative. The UDP President further said that Synshar Lyngdoh is a potential candidate and therefore it is expected that the people's mandate will favour him in the upcoming Adjourned Legislative Assembly election of the Sohiong Constituency.
The Sohiong Constituency kira ada sipnya ka bentar ke joki ka dari dak jadi pesan ya ini kandidat bagi bahkan kalau ya kandidat jongi wa Synshar jongga UDP but joki bakal dong JFA ka shift jong ka mass support ka bor dari ba HDR Lyngdoh di WI kini kandidat akan impon ke parti. But what haka tu kopor kalau dong determine ke bakal New York ini. Entah hanya nilai susu kawan sa kalau jong kecil snow jong kipai ba. Hamtam kitu ibana kaliang jong ba HDR Lyngdoh bang Kuador ni. Ila dan bentah kejin joki. Haki alko absensian kibalik kibai ila dan kejin. Ki kuat ruan penpau ki bangalaya semua bangalaya kinduk daladi om deh Sohiong sabar Sohiong ki badan bot Sohiong ki bom semut bang persan ni ka bahagian election ada ulai kaba day lang mat ke week election ndai hakane ka bomenta ki semua bakane ke ketua kaba kin haban simply dia ke kaba ba HDR Lyngdoh hak ke ketua bilang dia idale nakabanta joki ya aku Adjourned Legislative Assembly ba HDR Lyngdoh ndeu brio bersong polisi apa long ko mani long brio tre long brio berturut ya kata ba long brio bakwa ban purlong ya kita kijindong kam jong kata kalau ke message ko ba ko ban ai ni ko ba UI ya kan air ya kijinde jong apo Sohiong Constituency ha ka be bat kan ni nalor ki kam ki jong ba HDR Lyngdoh ni semua don bok ru pengi ngayo yu kandidat ubo biang rang ba ku na dong se aki biang baro ba na so kani kam de banwan tak ta ka buat sung e dan ne buat siu kliang ya ki kam ba ha ju ba HDR hunrei ba ke jingbit ba ke jingyang kuraro jong uni kandidat